pages 31 and 32. Here comes baby. When the sun comes up in the morning, you get out of bed and go through your usual routine. You eat breakfast and brush your teeth. It's the start of a new day. When a new organism is made, it's like the beginning of a new day. Babies in each classification group start their lives the same way as other babies in that group. It's like their morning routine. A baby robin starts its life the same way as a baby cardinal or rooster. It pecks its way out of its egg, kicks away the shell, and lifts its wobbly head up to find food. But babies belonging to other groups may have very different beginnings. After all, you know that elephants don't lay eggs. Can you imagine the size that egg would be? And you weren't born in a pond, able to breathe underwater. Here's how some different organisms each begin life. Hello, world! Before you were born, you grew in a safe place inside your mom's body. That's the same way kittens, zebras, goats, gorillas, cows, and just about all the other mammals grow too. Some mammals give birth to more than just one baby at a time. Cats usually have a litter of around 5 kittens. Sometimes there are more, sometimes less. Mice have litters of 5 to 10 babies. The length of time a mammal carries her baby is called a gestation period. This is different from creature to creature. In humans, it's 9 months. For killer whales, it's around 1.5 years. And for mice, it's only about 20 days. Words to know. Litter, a group of babies born at the same time. Gestation period, the length of time a mother carries a baby inside her. Marsupial, a mammal whose babies grow in a pouch on the mom after they are born. Echidna, a small ant-eating monotreme. Okay, after you listen to this or you've read it on your own, you're going to answer this question. Do all living organisms come into the world the same way? What do you think? Do all living organisms come from eggs? Do they all come from ponds? Do we all come from our moms? What do you think? Do we all come into the world the same way? Yes or no?